What's up guys, thanks for joining for all things Volvo. To cut straight to the point of the video, I buy from FCP Euro because of their lifetime warranty. To tell you guys exactly what I mean, let's take it back to the desk. I just want to mention that this video is not sponsored by FCP Euro. The parts that I got from them, I paid for it all myself, even right down to the shirts in the different colors. But every once in a while, there just comes along this company that impresses you so much and you just want to share it with the people that you know, and that's exactly what I'm doing with this video. So FCP Euro is this company that's been around for a long time on the East Coast. And you know, they're pretty awesome. They got their own motorsports team that with the cars that they race, they build drift cars, they do a lot of great stuff. And aside from that, there's three things that I really like about FCP Euro. The first thing is their parts selection, the second thing is their customer service, and the last thing, as I mentioned before, is their lifetime warranty. So viewers of this channel know that we are building a Volvo 850R currently and making it into a 450 wheel horsepower fun street car. The motor is currently out right now, and before we slap everything back together with the new forged rods and the giant Garrett turbo, we need to make sure that we take care of all the factory maintenance items like the water pump, the belts, the seals, ignition components, mounts, sensors, etc. So when it comes to their parts, everything from BMW, Volvo, Volkswagen, Audi, Mercedes, Porsche, Jaguar, Land Rover, etc. They have everything that you need from a European brand. But the thing I like, aside from the fact that they carry everything, is that they explain to you the difference between genuine parts and OE or OEM parts. And they explain to you, well, if you want the one that says Volvo on it, then that's perfectly fine. We have it and it's this price. But if you want to save a lot more money, you can get the same exact part from the same manufacturer, but at a much discounted price just because it doesn't have the car manufacturer etched into the actual part. So I can find this engine torque strut mount that says genuine Volvo, click on it, and I can buy it for $123, or it gives you right there on the same page. It says, wait, save with OE. You'll save 25 bucks by buying the same exact part from the same manufacturer, just without the Volvo etched into it. Now, when it comes to their customer service, there's really two things that stand out for me. The first thing is that if there is a hold for whatever reason and there is a wait to talk to somebody, they will call you back, and they always do very quickly. And so that way I can go on about my day and not have to be on hold for 3 hours. But the second thing that I really like about their customer service is that they have people there that know what you're talking about. When I call them up and I say, hey, I need a drain O-ring for my K24 turbo on my Volvo, they know exactly what I'm talking about, because chances are the person that I'm talking to has the same vehicle and they work on the same vehicle. And if that person doesn't know, they route me to somebody who knows exactly what I'm talking about. So being able to communicate with somebody and have them basically understand the lingo and all the technicalities of the platform that you're working on is really invaluable to me. You're probably asking, well, how does this guarantee work? If you go to fcpeuro.com and then you click on lifetime replacement, you have a step-by-step process on how the whole thing works. Basically, you're buying the part from them, installing it on your vehicle, and then the old part that you had, you're sending it back to FCP and they're reimbursing you for that entire price. Now, if you scroll to the bottom, there's some more resources that you can read. But the thing that I like to look at is this one right here. You expand on it and it shows they refund, they guarantee every single thing that they sell on their website. So even things that wear out, like clutch discs or brake pads, I can buy brake pads for my vehicle, use them for 30 to 40,000 miles, and then send the worn pads back to FCP, and they will send me brand new ones for free. Who does that? Also, it's kind of funny, they have a dedicated Instagram page that shows pictures of all the things that customers send them back, right down to the motor oil. Yes, I can take my bad oil, drain it, send it to FCP, they send me brand new oil for free. And how many times do we do oil changes throughout the life of our vehicles? So that kind of sums everything up. I just wanted to make this quick little video to tell people that if you do have a European car and you don't know FCP Euro, you're definitely doing things wrong. But if you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. And we definitely have a lot of nice content coming up with the 850R that I mentioned earlier, as well as the new project for this channel. We got a brand new, well, not really brand new, it's an S60R, brand new to us, that we're gonna be having some fun with. And I already purchased some parts from FCP Euro to fix a lot of the check engine lights that usually comes with those cars. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, we'll see you guys next time. Take care. Peace.
Keep going?
Yep.
We're running open headers right now.
Oh my god. Bro, your car's working!
So if I things like brake pads and clutch discs, this cat is so annoying. I love my cat though. It's a cute cat. Look at him. Here he is. I found him on the street. I found him in the streets when he was young, him and his two brothers. I saved all three of them, and I kept the one that gave me the most annoying time trying to catch him. Two of his siblings passed away. His mother